Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Today I have got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a pair of glam crystal candle holders. And so what you'll need, you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants. They're from Efavormart. You'll need some floral diamond wrap, also from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decors, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're also going to need some of this bling wrap. This bling wrap is from Totally Dazzled. You're going to need some of these beautiful rhinestone dangle brooches, and they are from Totally Dazzled as well. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you will need 2 of these glass candle holders, and you can really use any shape you like. You will need 2 of these silver candy dishes. I think these come in a pack of 4. And then from Walmart, I have some of these peel and stick gemstones. And you can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I am going to be using some hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to complete these beautiful candle holders, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't these crystal candle holders turn out absolutely beautifully? I did decide to go ahead and go with pearls instead of the teardrop pendants this time. And I just think that they turn out absolutely beautifully. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any other future uploads. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.